and welcome to our post-game press conference. Congratulations to the De La Salle Green Archers for beating the UST Growling Tigers 86 to 77. The Green Archers are now at 5-3. We have Coach Topex Robinson, EJ Goliena, and JC Macalala. Coach, congratulations for this third straight win. You had a strong first half. You led by as much as 22 points, so probably it's your best first half of the season, and you ended up the comeback of UST. So what can you say about your team's effort tonight?
Well, obviously, we know how strong UST is right now. They really are playing tremendous basketball together. So we just made sure that we're gonna be coming in confident, knowing that we prepared for whatever it is that UST will throw at us. And I guess also we've been losing players. Still, that's one of our drives going into these games. And also right now, coming to this game, we offered this game to one of our managers, Mr. Fred Yuson, who's sick right now, and he hasn't really been showing up. So we just kind of talk about it, how we are playing for each other and playing for our school, and then we know how crazy or loud that UST crowd will always be. So we made sure we kind of quiet them a bit. They had some runs in the second half. They made the right adjustments, but these guys just kept showing up, fixing whatever it is that we need to work on in-game situations.
Thank you to PJ. You had 8 points, including the corner 3 in the final 39.1 seconds, and 4 rebounds. So, yun, mahabol yung UST. And then, yung dagger 3. So, ano masasabi mo na, yun ang nagpapula sa rally ng UST, yung press sa corner?
Well, para sa akin po siguro, sinusuklihan ko lang yung trust na binibigay sa akin ng coaches, ng team, ng management. Always be prepared. Lagi nilang sinasabi sa akin. Simula ng first year ko dito, lagi lang sinasabi sa akin na maganda lang po ako. And I guess it's one of those games na nalibre ako, and sabi naman ng coaches, if you're open, just shoot. And siguro yun lang yung tatakbo sa utak ko, to repay their trust and be ready for any possible moment, and yun, pumasok ko eh.
Thank you. To JC, at 18 points, including 14 in the first half, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, and 1 steal. So, yun nga, yung first half nyo, maganda. Although nakalapit yung UST second half, you're able to pull this win. So, ano masasabi mo sa pinakita ng team?
Unang-una masaya ako dahil nagpakita lahat, nag-step up lahat kami sa team, and nag-work talaga together. And kitang-kita naman sa preparation namin heading into this game na yung intensity, yung focus during trainings nandun. So, alam mo yun, sobrang masarap lang sa pakiramdam na yung mga kasama mo heading into this game prepared and willing ibigay lahat ng kaya nila. So, I think yun yung one of the factor kaya maganda yung start namin the first half, and na-sustain namin yung lead into the second half.
Okay, thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, can you talk about your quote-unquote other guys, your bench? You outscored UST's bench 41 to 14.
Well, it's just so fortunate or blessed to have players always being ready to contribute. We were talking about this for a few games now, where JC's been scoring a whopping 1 point per game, and but he he does the things that other players on this team do. He's on his fourth year now, but I guess just to answer your question, it's just everybody finding their way to contribute in this team, and we always tell them that you didn't came in this program by accident. You came here in this program because we've seen something in you. We mentioned about EJ. EJ was really one of the hardest working players sa lineup namin back in season 86. That's why he got the opportunity to really be one of the main contributors, not only offensively but defensively. And it's really nice to also see LeBron contributing. Luis always gonna be ready, but again, it's about just calling, being called and being ready. This the first time we saw Gillian Kines, sa potential, and he's really been working hard in practice. Kumbaga nasanay siguro siyang binubugbog ng mga kasama niya, trying to make it hard for them. So nung nagkaroon siya ng opportunity right now, and it's just fun to watch those guys responding to the challenge.
Nung first round encounter you with the UST, 4 points ka lang. So was that added motivation heading into today's game na makabawi against UST sa second round?
Well, to be honest, I take every game as another game. It's one of those mantras na tinuro sa akin ni Coach. It's another game. Wala namang babaril sa iyo dyan or something. So, just be confident. Know that you're prepared. And yun, ganun ko siya tinitake every game. Hindi ko iniisip kung ano nangyari last game or whatever. I just really want to play my heart out there.
JC, first few games mo, you wore a mask na dahil sa fractured nose. Pero this time around, nung nawala na yung mask sa'yo, ito, nag-breakout ka. So, how was the transition from wearing a mask the first few games mo? And ito ngayon, without that mask, medyo lumalabas na yung scoring potential mo.
Siguro simula nung sinuot ko yung mask, hindi siya parang challenge sa akin. Tinitake ko siya sa blessing din. And yun nga, last week ko sa during training, sinry ko lang na hindi na mag-mask. So yun, medyo okay naman yung preparation. So heading into this game, yung mindset ko, why not try ko din sa game na wala munang mask. So yun, thankful ako na naging ganito yung kinalabasan ng game namin and yung preparation na binigay namin all throughout this week. Yun ang...
Ano sasabi mo na lang din sa resiliency mo sa personal kasi yung nabagin ni Coach yung first few games when you weren't scoring a lot. Pero this time against UST na natalo kayo sa first round, na-breakout ka with 18 points and then watching them win for Lasal.
For me kasi sobrang helpful ng mga teammates ko and also yung coaches ko. Kasi yung teammates ko nandiyan sila always reminding me yung trust na meron sila sa akin. And also sa coaching staff, lalo na sila Coach Topex and Coach Gian. Actually, before game nga, parang binulungan naman ni Coach na parang before ako pumasok ng report, kumpiyansa. So alam mo yun, hearing from your coach, parang sobrang laking boost sa akin nun. And sobrang laking tulong nun sa akin in this week's game.
Pero JC, shooting-wise, medyo nakakailang ba talaga yung may suot na mask?
Medyo, pero...
Nababawas yung kagwapuhan.
Just pogi points.
Coach, you've talked about yung collective effort nga na kailangan time and time again. Pero heading to with ito nga, Army the 3 game winning streak na at this point at this late in the season, gaano ka-importante na lang yung contributions not only of JC but also yung continued emergence na LeBron, Gillian, and other players pa sa squad mo to back up ito ng JC sa squad?
We always talk about we, us, and ours. So it's always about what you could bring in to the bigger piece of the pie sa team. And yun nga, you lose some players, you gain some players. Just always being ready and prepared. And I guess it's always nice to really spend a lot of time together with this team. Actually, after our game against UP, we went to our training camp in Dang, one of our Boss Rafi's farms. So we just stayed there the whole week. We went back Thursday. So it's really nice to be with them, be with your your peers, and really try to get to know them outside of kasi like pag sa dorm kami or sa school after practice, syempre we have our own different lives to live. So but doon, whether we like it or not, talagang magkikita kami. So talagang you're forced into being with these guys and then really building that bond, which is gonna be challenging. It's going to be tested, especially now that we're going through the season. So the more time we really spend together, JC talked about trust, and it's something that you have to really earn, and you have to build it day in and day out. So that's really one of the key factors for us, I see. We're going to go through challenges. Still a long ways to go. A lot of basketball is going to be played, but as long as you're going to stick together, through your ups and downs, I think we're going to really make sure that we enjoy our time being together.
Coach, in next play, UE on Wednesday. Ito, as you said earlier, yung bench, maganda yung nilaro this afternoon. So, ano masasabi mo na ito? Although UE, they're still without a win, they're still top team, okay? So,
We always have, parang meron kami palaging score to settle with UE. Every time we play UE, they always have a breakout game. So it's that's why we're gonna remind each and everyone it's gonna be a roller coaster experience for us. So making sure that we have so much respect for the team. They've always came out blazing against us. So it's the way we're gonna honor this game. This game has been good to us, and we have to respect it. And that's the way we're gonna look at how we're gonna play UE on Wednesday. They're always gonna be a deadly team against LaSalle. So it's gonna be a reminder to everyone in this team.
and to JC and to EJ, ito, malaking panalo tong UST. Of course, yung hard part, kalaban nyo, hindi naghahanap pa ng panalo. So, what can you say? Ano yung mindset nyo para, syempre, magtuloy-tuloy itong winning streak nyo? First to JC and EJ.
Yun nga, sabi ni EJ kanina, tinitreat namin yung mga games na same mindset. So, yung preparation na ginawa namin before this game sa UST, same lang yung gagawin namin, preparation. Focus kami on our game plan and sistema ni Coach. Mag-stick lang kami doon and trust one another, yun nga.
So, we're gonna treat the UE team with respect. Sabi nga ni Coach, we're gonna play them. They're always laging sumushoot yung mga tira nila whenever we play them. And we're gonna treat it the same way we treat how we played the first game, the second game. We're gonna come out there prepared. Just like how UE will be, they're going to come out there and be prepared for us. Ganun din po kami. We're gonna treat each other with respect. We're gonna play with each other with respect. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun game this Wednesday po.
Congratulations, Coach Topek, JC and EJ.
Thank you.